Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create emojis like these in your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now there is basically two ways that you can achieve this. The first method I'm going to show you, and by far the quickest and easiest, is by making sure you have the latest version of Adobe Premiere Pro installed. Now why this is so important is because in Adobe's latest software update, they have added emojis as a built-in feature to the app. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up your Creative Cloud app on your desktop. Now from here you want to click the apps on the right hand column and then click Manage Updates. And then what you want to do is you just want to check to see if there's an update available for Premiere Pro. As you can see here, I have the latest version of 24.21, but if it does need updating, then just click the right hand column and click Update. Now as I've got the latest version installed, we're going to move on to step number 2. So what you want to do is you want to come over to Adobe Premiere Pro and you want to create a new text layer. Now from here you want to press Ctrl plus Command plus Spacebar key if you're using a Mac computer, or the Windows key plus period if you're using a Windows computer. And then from the screen you can select the emoji that you wish to use and it will automatically be added to the timeline. One thing to note is that if you're on a Windows computer, then Adobe Premiere Pro only supports black and white emojis. However, if you're on a Mac, then you'll be able to see the emojis in full color. I'm sure in later updates this will be fixed, but for now let's move on to solution number 2 on how you can add emojis to your video in full color on both Windows and Mac. So what you want to do is you want to head over to our website called www.emoji.aranja.com. Now obviously from here you have a huge selection of emojis to choose from, and once you've selected the emoji that you wish to use, you can download it into a PNG file which we can then use in Adobe Premiere Pro. Once you've downloaded the image file, then you can come back into Adobe Premiere Pro and we're just going to drag the downloaded file into our timeline. Let me just get rid of the one we created previously, and then we're going to drag our file into the timeline. Now if you want to change the positional size of the emoji, then you can do that using the Effects Control tab. And we can position the emoji here, and we can change the size of it by using the scale numbers. And there you have it guys, 2 methods to add emojis into your Adobe Premiere Pro project. If this video helped you, please drop a like on the video and subscribe for more tutorial videos like this one.